Are you consuming chia seeds for the first time, or have they been a part of your diet for quite some time now? Do you want to find out what research says about chia seeds and how they may affect your overall health and well being? If your answer is yes, then you are in the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing the nutritional profile, health benefits, research findings, and side effects of chia seeds with you. Hello, my name is Anne, and you're welcome to my channel. Chia seeds have gained immense popularity due to their impressive nutritional profile. These tiny seeds are packed with essential nutrients, fiber, and healthy fats, making them a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Chia seeds are an excellent source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, which promotes digestive health, regulates blood sugar, and aids in weight management. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid (ALA), which is essential for heart health and brain function. Chia seeds are rich in protein, providing amino acids for muscle repair and growth. They contain antioxidants which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Chia seeds are also rich in minerals, including calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and zinc, which are crucial for bone health and overall well being. While research is ongoing, studies suggest that chia seeds may offer several health benefits. For the heart, omega-3 fatty acids, which are abundant in chia seeds, can help reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure. Some studies have also shown potential benefits of chia seeds in reducing the risk of heart disease. The fiber content can help with constipation and lowering cholesterol levels. For blood sugar control, individuals with diabetes or those at risk may benefit from the potential of chia seeds to regulate blood sugar levels due to the high fiber content, which may slow the absorption of glucose. For digestive health, apart from the potential to help alleviate constipation due to high fiber content, chia seeds can also support gut health by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. For weight management, fiber-rich foods play important roles in weight management. Chia seeds, due to its high fiber content, can help create a feeling of fullness, reducing overall calorie intake. The protein content can also contribute to satiety. For bone health, chia seeds are a good source of calcium and phosphorus, essential for bone health. Some studies suggest that the omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds may also play a role in bone health. So, while the evidence supporting the therapeutic potential of chia seeds is promising, more research is needed to establish definitive conclusions. However, several studies have shown positive results. For instance, studies have demonstrated the ability of chia seeds to improve blood sugar control, reduce inflammation, and lower blood pressure. Research has also shown that chia seeds can increase levels of omega-3 fatty acids in the blood, which may have beneficial effects on the heart. Animal studies have indicated potential benefits of chia seeds in preventing obesity and metabolic syndrome. One of such studies described chia seeds as a therapeutic weapon in metabolic disorders. So, whether you are about adding chia seeds to your diet for the very first time or you already consume them on a regular basis, you are quite on the right path to a healthy lifestyle. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile and can be easily incorporated into your diet. You can add them to yogurt, smoothies, or oatmeal. You can sprinkle some on salads or desserts. You may even use them as an egg replacer in baking recipes. You can also make chia seed pudding or jam. Chia seeds are high in fiber, which can be beneficial for digestive health, but it can also cause digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and diarrhea. Some people may be allergic to chia seeds. Symptoms of chia seeds allergy can include hives, itching, swelling, and difficulty breathing. Chia seeds can interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners and anti-diabetic medications. Chia seeds are high in oxalates, which can increase the risk of kidney stones. Chia seeds can lower blood sugar levels, so people with diabetes who are taking anti-diabetic medications should monitor their blood sugar levels carefully. The first step to minimizing chia seeds side effects is moderation. Whether you are new to consuming chia seeds, or it has been a part of your diet for a very long time, remember that moderation is key. Ensure to drink plenty water to prevent digestive issues. If you have any concerns about consuming chia seeds, talk to your doctor. So, while chia seeds offer numerous health benefits, it's essential to consume them as part of a balanced diet and overall healthy lifestyle. If you have any underlying health conditions, consult with your doctor before making significant changes to your diet. There are potential side effects of consuming chia seeds, including digestive issues, nutrient interactions, and allergic reactions. It is important to drink plenty of water when consuming chia seeds as they can absorb a large amount of liquid. Chia seeds can also interact with certain medications such as blood thinners and anti-diabetes medications. If you have any concerns, it is important to talk to your doctor before consuming chia seeds. By following the tips in this video, you can help to minimize your risk of experiencing side effects. Remember to always consult your doctor if you have any concerns about consuming chia seeds. Remember to like this video and leave your comments in the comments box below. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more tips on health and nutrition. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep staying healthy.